Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to yet another video. And in today's video, yep, we got the brand spanking new Porsche Turbo S 911 Brabus version. It's a crazy thing. Now I can already see a lot of your purists thinking like, Brabus? Wait, Brabus is Mercedes. Yeah, but Brabus also does smarts. And in case you guys didn't know, StarTech is a Tesla tuner, also owned by Brabus. So Brabus does more than just Mercedes. Anyway, we'll be driving this monster today. It's got 820 horsepower. And it's an absolute monster. So we got the Brabus styled 21-inch wheels in the front with Brabus calipers. We got of course the 22-inch wheels in the back. So you get a nice looking Brabus Porsche. We got the badges in the front. We got lots and lots of carbon fiber on the air intakes, just as it's supposed to be, because well, Brabus is known for making the best carbon fiber in the world. And going to the back, they added this epic wing. We got a big ass wing in the back. This makes this booty look like a cutie. God dang it, look at that. And also a lot of carbon fiber. And yeah, you cannot go wrong with carbon fiber if it's not the fake carbon fiber that uses on the inside of their cars. Yeah, this is real carbon fiber, not the fake stuff. But I mean, look at that booty. Now that's the booty, right? And in the back we got the Brabus lettering, we got the Brabus cup diffuser and their brand new exhaust for the Porsche 911 Turbo S. Looks god dang nice. The original leather of Porsche is not the best quality you can get. So yeah, the Brabus leather, it is way better. You can feel that right away. Smells delicious. Damn, this thing looks so good. Anyway, so as you can tell, anyway, yeah, I'm in love. Sorry for that. As you can tell, I'm in love. I'm really in love in this. I'm really in love with this car. Really sorry about that. And as you can tell, this is a Brabus masterpiece. Now, a masterpiece means that every single thing has been touched. So nothing in the interior is not being done. As you can tell, we got some more carbon fiber on the interior dash, next to the gear knob. This is all real carbon fiber. This is real carbon fiber. And the dashboard is fully covered in high quality leather. The floor is totally turned into leather. Floor carpets also leather. Red stitching as far as the eye can reach. Yeah, I mean, this is a nice place to be in. Anyway, enough talk. I'm gonna put the GoPro on my head. Let's take it out for a spin, shall we? So yeah, we are at the German roads and this is going to be fun. So yeah, yet again, the Porsche Brabus 911 S Turbo. Do not forget the turbo. But without further ado, we're just gonna take it for a drive. We're gonna go uphill. Have it in Sport Plus, of course. 820 horsepower. Sheesh! Sorry about the rush hour traffic. But there is nice uphill, a hill climb coming. This car is breathtaking. Oh, dang it. Oh crap, I'm out of fuel. I knew that was going to happen. But that is it for today's video and the Porsche 911 Turbo S from Brabus. Like, this thing is absolutely amazing. Now, let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? You like it? You love it? You hate it? Or you like Brabus? You guys should stay at Mercedes. Now, Brabus also doing the Rolls Royce. So yeah, Brabus also doing Porsche and Rolls Royce. What do you think about that? Let me know in the comments. You hate it? You love it? I absolutely love it. God dang it. Wish I could buy one. Anyway. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Drive safe.